Welcome back to another daily vlog. Again, it's just a chill day at home. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing anything that interesting, but I want to keep up these daily vlogs because I think you guys like them and I like making them for you. So I've got to do some Princess Polly content. I'm working with them for their Black Friday sales, which is exciting. So I've done my makeup and I went for a more cream product look, so it's a bit more seamless. I did cream blush and cream highlight, just a bit more natural looking. And it's actually really hot today. It's like 30 degrees and my curls aren't that great. Like I could probably refresh them if I wanted to wear them out, but I'm just gonna slick them back today. Usually I just tie it up into a pony, but I'll do a really slick version today, so I thought I'd video that and show you. So I'm gonna spray my scalp area with this BB curl reactivator, so just kind of wetting the base of my hair so it's gonna be nice and slick. I'm just going to use a brush and brush my hair back. I'm going to put a bit of this gel as well. It's the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Gelée. I've been trialing this one. It's a new one to my collection. Just get a bit in my hands and then kind of glaze it over. I'll also put it on the back. Now we just got to tie it up into a nice high pony. Also going to wet the back of my hair. Just brushing the back as well. When you have thick hair, it just feels good to slick it back on a hot day. Alright, so that's all slick. Then I'm just using my black scrunchie that I always use, and I'm going to tie it into a ponytail. And I'm using that same spray on my curls because they're not very curly today. And I'm going to scrunch that up. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Reactivate those curls. I always use bobby pins on the back of my hair just because those little baby hairs kind of fall out during the day, so just pinning those up. Then I'm using this old toothbrush that I've never used before for my mouth, so I was like, I'll use this for my baby hairs. I never really used to do them, but then I saw a hairstylist while I was on shoot use a toothbrush like this and the Aunt Jackie's gel, and it made my edges look really nice and neat. So you just kind of curl them back so they But yeah, I don't really notice my baby hairs that much, but I think it's nice to do, and I think it's nice to put them back when you do a slick style like this. Wise men say fools rushing. That's how I do a quick slick updo, and because I'm using the scrunchie it doesn't feel super tight, because I know when I use elastics I get headaches because they're like really tight and pulling on my hair, but this scrunchie is good and it has good hold. Just need to get some hairspray. This is the Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray. It's the one I always use. And there we go. I'm gonna go film the content now and I'll get back to you after. Alright, so I just finished off that Princess Polly content and sent that off to them, and now I've got to shoot a oh, look at that mess. I have to shoot a Glassons outfit. It's this cool leather shirt, this cool like leather jacket shirt thing. And I love these shorts. I hope they fit me and they're not too small, but like a beige sand denim, high-waisted. And I also just got a parcel from the Iconic. I got this cute play suit and I also got it in this color because I couldn't decide. But they were on sale and I just loved the look of them. They look really long, so I don't know if they'll fit, but I like doing posts on Instagram where I have two kind of different options of the same outfit and I ask if you like this color or this color, and I like seeing all your personal choices and opinions in which outfit's better. I think I'm gonna have some lunch soon. My dad's getting something from the shop. I feel awkward vlogging my meals because I eat with like my family because everyone's at home because of the pandemic. Everyone's just working from home, so sorry if I don't show much of my meals. But yeah, so I did say that they looked long, and yeah, the fit looks alright on camera, but it's really long. So if I pull the crotch up to where my crotch is, then it like sticks up here. Like the whole thing's too long. I'm too petite. So I'll probably be returning these, unfortunately, even though they are really cute, but I'm not going to wear it because look, it like bunches up here. It's too big. Ah! So those play suits were a fail from the Iconic. I'll just return them. But these shorts fit well. I was scared they were going to be a bit small, but they're from Glassons and I've been wanting shorts exactly like these. Thank you Glassons for sending me them. And then this top's from Princess Polly, but this leather shirt is Glassons. Excuse the mess everywhere, but is this outfit, I don't know, something is not right about it. We'll just take some photos and see if it's a vibe, but I'm thinking I'll go in the backyard and try to take some photos, so I'll be back. Okay, so I had lunch. We had fried rice with Singapore noodles. Yum. It's so hot here, and whenever it's this hot I just feel like I have no energy and no motivation. I could probably take more photos, but I literally just feel like jumping in Fabian's pool, so I'm waiting for him to finish work so I can go over and just jump in his pool because I feel just gross. I could have gone to the gym today as well. Normally I feel motivated to go to the gyms on Mondays, but today I was just feel gross. I was just like, nah. I was too lazy. There was no reason why I shouldn't have gone. But that's alright. I'm not really very strict on my routine right now because I just finished uni, so I just want to have a good time and have fun, but also try to be productive as I can in terms of work and uploading content. So I think I'm going to go sort out some of my clothes. I want to put away my winter clothes and just take out and look at what clothes I have for summer, for when it's hot days like these. Let's do it. To Fabian's to jump in the pool. It says it's like 35 degrees, so yeah, I just can't wait to chill in the pool. And then I'm gonna come back home after I have dinner at his because I have a photo shoot tomorrow in the morning, and if I sleep at my house it'll be closer to the photo shoot. But yeah, I'm shooting with Shea again. I've shot with them twice already and they're a really nice bunch of girls to work with, so I am very grateful that they keep wanting to work with me. Anyway, let's go.
So follow me. Today we've had a very bad gel day today, as you can see. It looks like we've been electrocuted.
Very flat.
Yeah, very flat. My weapon of choice is the Brio Geo shampoo. It's got some avocado in there, it's hydrating, it's fantastic. Then what we like to do is after that, this is another shampoo. No,
you use 2 shampoos?
Yeah, sometimes we even like to do 3 shampoos. But what I'm trying to get at is we use this defrizzing conditioner after we shampoo, and that makes your hair, you know, conditioned. So that's what we're going to do now to fix this monstrosity. And then afterwards, what I like to do what I recommend is everyone use fructus. Use whatever this is, Garnier stuff, and then you put it in like this. Oh my word. Don't show the bin, look how filthy that is. So you're
just wasting.
You squirt it on your hand like this.
Yeah.
You got this.
And you put it in dry hair.
You put it in moist hair. It has to be moist, and then as you can see, my hair's already beginning to take shape.
Wow, very curly.
So I try my very best. This is my routine. Like, subscribe, and turn notifications on, right? Thank you. See you next time.
Okay, so I've washed and styled my hair. I feel like I've washed it and styled it so many times in a row, like in this past week, because I've been making it nice for content work, and then I get notified last minute if I have a photo shoot and it's like, oh, you're shooting tomorrow, and I'm like, okay, I have to wash my hair again and make it nice and clean and perfect. But yes, I have limited products at Fabian's house, and I filmed me doing my styling routine in my last daily vlog, so if you want to know what products I use, you can go watch that one. I need to bring more skin products to Fabian's too, because what I have is the mist toner from Asano, the rose hip one. Love this range. Everything that comes with this rose hip range smells so good. And then the only moisturizer I have is this Yamco Skin No Filter Moisturizer, but it's nearly run out, so I need to go stock up in Fabian's bathroom, but this one's really good. I love the clay mask from this brand as well. But yeah, I just put those two on my face. I'm still struggling with acne around this area. It's really strange. I never really get it just in that bottom half of my face. Hey guys, we just finished dinner, and I think I'll end the vlog here. Yeah, that's what Fabian sleeps in, because
I am your Prince Charming.
I tend to like move around when I sleep, and I whack him in the head and he wears that. So my hair is not fully dry.
We should do a reenactment of Shrek and Fiona.
My hair's not fully dry, so just ignore it. I'm just letting it air dry. I diffused it for like 5 minutes.
What you want, Mom?
Wow, he's so rude to his mum.
Sorry, Mom? I would love some almond milk.
Alright, thank you for watching this vlog, everyone. I'll see you in the next one, and let me know if I should do more with Fabian.
Please say no.
Bye.
Bye, I'm held against my will.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Send help.